How to use Freepik for free. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily use Freepik AI for free. Now let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is go ahead and go to the web browser, search for Freepik, and hit enter. Now go to freepik.com here, all-in-one AI studio. And if you haven't already, make sure to sign into your account. So as you can see, if you head over to the pricing tab on the top here, you can find different pricings. Now, to be able to use Freepik for free, they also have a free version. So go to their official website and click on Get Started for free. Then you need to log into your account. I'll just use my Google account to continue. Tap on it, and then now you can just go ahead and select your account. Tap and continue again. And then you should be able to log in without any problem. Now you can select what you're going to use this for. I'll just select personal, tap on next. Then I can just do visuals for my social media, tap on next again. And you can select what do you want to create. So I'll just do videos, presentations, logo designs, and tap on next. Now you can select what kind of assets you usually need. I'll just do video, icons, vectors, and photos. Tap on next, then click work independently, tap on next again, and then you can just go ahead and tap on done. Now, once your sign up is complete, you can easily start using Freepik for free. So let's say if you want to generate an image, what I can do is go to generate image over here, and then I can use free text to image option. So I'll just go to this prompt box and then try to enter a prompt. So I'll just do sunset at a mountain. And then I can just hit enter. Now it's going to go ahead and generate the image for me. Click on the generate button. And as you can see with the free version, you can only get 20 images per day. I can just tap on generate. And once the picture is ready, you can go ahead and click on it. Find the download button at the top right to export it, and you're good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.